it's like the standard punk DIY bar venue. It's like Genesee, PBR.
Hello?
Hey, what's up, man? We're not open till 5.
Oh, no, I'm David, the new barback.
Oh, all right. Yeah, sorry. Hi, Malachi.
Willie, I live upstairs.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
So what's in the bag?
Just taking some photos for my portfolio.
Oh, you're a photographer?
Yeah, I just moved here last week. I'm waiting to hear back from the Whitney Museum about an internship.
Making moves.
Can I ask you a question? Is Brooklyn safe?
What?
Is this neighborhood, is it okay to live in?
Why?
This guy in Bushwick almost jumped in front of
It's
a train.
dangerous. You should buy a gun.
It's just different than what I'm used to.
Yeah.
So what brought you guys to the city?
I was born here.
I'm a musician.
Awesome. Have I heard of your band?
I'm not in a band. Do you want a beer?
Sure. Do you need me to do anything?
This is pretty much the job.